Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, unplug the USB-C adapter and let it cool. Open the case with the correct screwdriver. You want gentle prying so clips don't break. Look for burnt smells, swollen capacitors, loose wires, or cold solder joints near the USB-C port because those are common failure points. Once you've exposed the board, use your phone light and a magnifier to map damaged areas, and double-check the input/output markings so you don't mix up voltage rails. You now diagnose with a multimeter. Test continuity across the input fuse and measure DC output at the USB-C pin to confirm absence of vout. Identify cold or cracked solder joints near the connector and reflow them with flux and a hot iron. This often restores connection. If capacitors are bulged or leaking, desolder and replace with same capacitance and voltage rating. For blown MOSFET or resistors, match part numbers and orientation before installing replacements to restore regulation. Once repaired, you reassemble carefully. Secure any shielding and insulate exposed traces with tape or heat shrink. Before plugging your phone or laptop in, test the adapter with a 510W dummy load and measure stable voltage. This prevents further damage. If voltage is correct, test with your device briefly and monitor temperature. If output is unstable or adapter resets, make sure solder joints are clean and consider replacing the USB-C.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.